Alright, I'm going to rebuild this fatty. It's Chris Creations Novice, which is a hybrid RBA thingamajig. It's an actual fatty RBA on there. It comes with a hex screw, hex thing, Allen wrench, thank you. So I'm going to remove the current wick and set it aside or throw it away. Okay. And set my Allen wrench somewhere safe because don't know lose that. So some of the tools you're going to need are, we're going to do mesh inside a silica sleeve. Some of the tools that you need are some scissors or some fingernail clippers, whatever. Kanthal. I'm using 28 gauge Kanthal. This is 400 mesh that I've rolled already. This is XS118. No, XS18, which is a silica sleeve you can get from a kidney puncher. This is not ceramic. They do make ceramic. This is not ceramic. This is silica. And your RBA. Another thing that we're going to use is this multimeter, and that's going to be to test it, the ohms and stuff. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take apart your mod because you don't want the battery to be in there when you're building. I burnt myself 100 times and I'm done with that. The next thing that we're going to do, oh, you know what else you need? The most important tool in the world. And here it is, a paper clip. I've taken this paper clip and I bent the one leg out. You see it? So you want that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to stick it in that sleeve and kind of wiggle it to get it prepared for the mesh, just to kind of open it up a little bit. Alright. Then you're going to take your mesh and make sure that it's nice and tight. Kind of just move it in between your fingers like that. Boop. No big deal. Easy peasy. Slide it in the sleeve like so. It just slides right in. And then you're going to cut it. DOG, it's okay, buddy. My dog is very mad. Cut it again. The fatty is kind of small. This is a 14500 mod. And the deck is, it's not very fat. So you can see what I'm going to do here. And I'll set this aside to later for another build. And then there's my working wick. It's kind of small, huh? So now I'm going to stick the paper clip in. Kind of pinch it to get ready for the paper clip. So there's that. I'm going to take my wire. I'm going to do three or 4 wraps. So take it, I hold it like so. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3 wraps. That should be good. And then let's put this up so you can see what it's going to look like. Whatever. Camera sucks. We will snip. Take the paper clip out. You're going to use it later, so don't lose it. So then you're going to slide these babies in like so, and you're going to go under the hex, get your Allen wrench, tighten. This could not be easier to build. It's like the easiest thing in the world. Just wrap it around the posts without going like too tight, because you're going to want to make some adjustments. Okay. Alright, there's that. There's that. Okay, so the coil looks terrible. So we're going to fix that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that paper clip again, and I'm going to lift it from the deck. So it's basically laying flat right now. I'm just going to kind of lift it up. You can use your fingers, whatever. And this is another reason you don't want to make it too tight, because you want some leverage there to move around. And then I'm going to straighten out the coil with the paper clip. Make it nice and pretty. Alright, I'm going to take the multimeter and do a reading on it. I got this multimeter at like Home Depot for like $11. And I'm just going to set it. There's different settings on here. There's actually an omega symbol here, which is the ohm symbol. So you turn it to that. I'm going to do to 200. I'm going to take the positive, go to the center post, the negative, and go to the negative post. It's at 0.8. It tells me right on the readout. I would lift it up and show you, but I don't think I can. I'm not very dexterous here. It's going to be moving around here. You're not going to be able to see it. Anyway, it's 0.8. With 14500 batteries, you have to be really careful about how low you build. Just, I try to do like 1, but whatever. This is fine. This will work. So I'm going to snip the legs off like that. Okay. I'm going to grab a battery. I store all my batteries in these doodads when they're not in use. With the Novice, the battery goes in upside down. So the battery goes in facing the button. There's no leaking on the battery post. I don't know what is going on with Green, but he is using the black Orbitronics batteries, and I think he's trying to use the EFS batteries. And so those will auto fire. Anyway, he'll be able to figure it out. So it's in upside down. It is not auto firing. Obviously, you can see that. So now we're going to do a coil test. We're going to see what we want is it to glow fairly evenly throughout the coil. So let's see. Whoa, nope, we're not doing it. It's not going. You probably can't see it, but the coil closest to the negative end is not lighting up at all. So take your paper clip, and I mean, I really just sort of wiggle things around until I want to fire it again. There we go. Okay, So let's make some final adjustments. We'll just lift it up a little bit more and away from the posts as much as we can. I don't know if you can see, all 3 coils are looking pretty good. It's kind of off center a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little off center. I'm going to try to kind of move it over a little bit. So I'm going to put the paper clip back in there, like so, and kind of guide it and see if it even works. I don't know. It's a little hot. A little bit. Ooh, toasty. Yeah. So we'll put some juice on there. Let's do some Apple Jacks. Yeah. This is Epic's Apple Jacks. Oh, it's 12. I like 12. There we go. Epic's Apple Jacks in 6. This juice is freaking awesome. I love it. We'll douse this up a little bit. See how it goes. It's great. This dripper is freaking awesome. It's a cute little hybrid. It's super powerful. It just works really good. The Fatty is a very easy RBA to build on. It's just a great little mod. Let's see how it tastes. Put it on. It's awesome. I love it. Anyway, I hope you learned how to do what I posted. And that's it. Bye.